Someone has actually come and parked the car on our pitch. Double cheeseburger with double cheese.
With double bacon.
There might be a reason that you've got this done.
Be seeing you!
Just for the record, I had to cut a lot of that out. If you're a YouTuber, you have to turn around when you introduce yourself and say, "Hi guys." Hey everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to Derbyshire, where we're meeting up with some friends this weekend because we're having a few days away in a campsite. So excited. So for now we're just going to have a walk around the campsite, we'll show you a few things in that, so let's do this. So everyone, one of our travel buddies, we've done so many trips and we have, shh, you heard it here first, we've got a big trip coming up, planned soon.
Is that a Team Extreme trip?
It's a Team Extreme trip,
like it.
but you're going to find out more about that. Conrad, everybody, he's getting the barbecue set up and everything. Conrad, what's this here? I've not seen this before, this is new.
Light for the night.
A light bar.
It's enough for me to see what I'm doing.
Right, we're going to catch up with Conrad in a little bit, but yeah, check that out, getting the barbecue ready. So, we've got Dave's van here. He's going to be part of this trip that we've just been talking to Scott about as well. Got Simon's van over there who's come to the van meet. Now this is the first night of the van meet and basically like is it? I think he's what's he up to? Concentration, look at the concentration on the there you go. The concentration in your face then, hopefully we've got that on camera, you know, because I like this table, that's looking quite like smart type of thing. Yeah, right, let's go and have a look at Dave's. Let's go and have a look at Dave's table. So you've just got this table fitted, haven't you? Really enjoying it. To be fair, this is like a really good quality table. I like the look of it and everything. Just got it fitted because again he's getting his van sort of like ready for this big road trip that's coming up. So like I said, we're going to tell you, yeah, he's got like, that might give you a little bit of a clue. You've put some, now what are they, all-terrain tyres or the specific, how all-terrains, right? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, he's happy with them because the road trip that we're going to be doing quite soon, you know, you have to like wait for it, but yeah, these tyres. In fact, Jim is coming on this road trip as well and he's actually put some tyres like this on his van. Yeah, he's put the same. He's not here yet, but we'll show you that on his van after. So I've just mentioned as I was walking off, so I just heard to Brooke said, "Oh, would you like a cake?"
Yeah, I didn't offer you one.
I didn't get off. It's alright, but let's have a look at the cake. So
Milk spilled.
Ooh, there we go. Right, I'm going to leave them to eat cakes and things. Thor just wants to walk round and everything, but I'll be back in a minute, Brooke. I'll be back in a minute. There's a barbecue going on over here. Conrad's got a barbecue going. There's a barbecue going on over here as well. So, caught red-handed. What are you eating there?
Lincolnshire sausage.
Okay, I didn't get invited to this barbecue, by the way. Is this your barbecue?
My barbecue, my friend.
You might know this guy from the Switzerland trip that we did, and do you know what? You know, we travelled all through Europe together and everything, and I didn't get invited to this barbecue. So. I was halfway over there and then I turned around. Let's got a double cheeseburger with double cheese.
With double bacon.
And double bacon.
It's alright, just you wait till we get our barbecue out. We're having stuffed mushrooms, tomatoes, sausages, mozzarella dippers.
Yeah.
I think he's seen some pictures.
So this is Anthony's setup and it's got a dog there. Hello. Don't know where Anthony's gone, but oh, there he is. Anthony, everybody.
Essentials.
Oh, essentials. It's early evening now, so you know you've got to like get it all out.
I've had my afternoon nap. It's time to start drinking.
Sounds good. So we've got Joe over here. Don't actually know where Joe is. Joe in the van? Do you know? Or no? She went for a walk, didn't she? Yeah, she did go for a walk. So right. Anyway, I've come back over here to the barbecue. We're not invited to. So how are you getting on with that burger there, Scott? Yeah, you're doing good. So, if you've been a long time follower of our channel, you'll know that like our really good friend Conrad, recently he's not been so well, and you know you are getting better now, you know. But like, how are you feeling and everything? Because we do get a lot of people asking, you know, how you are and things. You know, how do you feel now?
I'm much better now. The treatment has worked. I'm really grateful, and it's just a progress every single week.
It was a really stressful time for you when all this was going on. Conrad was supposed to come on a road trip to Scotland and you know, it didn't happen because obviously he was ill and everything, so we was like talking to you like by chat and things, you know, checking up on you and everything.
It was a great thing. It was a great support from friends and family, especially having contact with people did help me a lot, my mental health, and just did make me feel much better speaking to everyone.
Yeah. Now the thing is, everybody's got like their own struggles in life, you know, and everybody deserves to be happy. If something is preventing you from achieving your own happiness or your own personal goals, regardless if you have a mental health issue like depression or anxiety, at the end of the day, you're just a human that's trying to like get by in this world. Therapy can give you the tools that you need to approach these situations in a different way. And that is why I'm excited to tell you about BetterHelp. BetterHelp's mission is to make therapy accessible to all, and it is a very important mission for BetterHelp. BetterHelp is a platform that makes finding a therapist easy because it's online and it's remote. All you have to do is just fill out a questionnaire online and then you get matched to your therapist within a couple of days. Clicking the first link in the description, you'll be supporting our channel and you also get 10% off your first month on BetterHelp. Finding a therapist that matches you is a little bit like dating. Sometimes, you know, you might not find the perfect match for you, but the good thing is with BetterHelp, you can just move on to a different therapist and you get matched to a different one and it doesn't cost you any extra. So if you're struggling, consider online therapy with BetterHelp. Check the link in the description or go to www.betterhelp.com/dubventures. You know what, it is so good to see Conrad up and about. Thank you again to BetterHelp for supporting our channel. So we have
And Jim.
You may have seen him on the channel before, so it's good to see you here again. So
Thank you.
Conrad's got a barbecue going again, so nearly food time.
Sausage.
Yes, he's famous for it. So looking at your van here, looks very different to the last time we seen it. So you've got all this in, and
Yeah.
there might be a reason that you've got this done. I was talking about like the snow tires as well, as saying before. Yes, because these guys are coming on this. Shh, we've not told them yet, but we've got a road trip coming up very soon, and these guys are coming as well. So, but how's the build going? Because you're getting all this done.
Absolutely shattered, but it's been great.
Yeah, he did send me a picture yesterday, and the picture was like all these wires and everything. Because what is it that you're wiring in? What are all them wires for? Is it just everything?
It's everything.
Right.
It all needed rewiring from
Right.
when I built it before.
Right. So yeah, he's doing all that, and he basically said to me, "So am I helping him with that?" And I was like, "Yeah, you got no choice." So, but anyway, it's good to see you guys again, and we will speak to you very soon.
Vamos a la party. Sacani Ferrari. Kila Bacardi.
Go for round two.
On the campsite, getting different barbecues.
Cook my sirloin over there. And then Conrad's still got sausage for it. So I'll have a sausage.
Yeah,
That's to be done.
and some sausages ready.
Oh, okay. I'll go and get my
That not melt on the barbecue?
plates knocking around. I'll just go and get
still
my own
goes
plate.
the same way.
I'll go and get my own.
Mind that.
Got fall over.
You always catch me getting the sausages.
Dave always likes having a bit of sausage.
I like a bit of sausage.
Mind the traps around them.
Yeah, I like a bit of sausage.
Yeah, these are the apple ones.
Got some muffins, hot dog bun.
Oh, I'll have that. There we go.
There we go.
I'm excited.
Excited? Explain it very clearly. Why are you excited?
Because I like a bit of
Do you want a bun
sausage.
There we go.
No pun intended. Down,
They
mate.
shouldn't be too hot now. They should be ready to eat.
So you you've hid them away, haven't you? I'm on edge now.
From me.
I've got to do it in a manly way. I've got to eat it in a manly way.
And where's Gemma when you
How do
need
you
her?
eat sausage in a manly way?
He's going to eat the sausage in a manly way. Do I let that go or do I pursue? Can you just explain to everyone watching what eating a sausage... Show us how you eat a sausage in a manly way. Go. You're well hard, man. Well, do you know what? Respect to you guys. Well hard, man. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody there with Chris.
Did you enjoy it?
What we'll do is we'll try that again and see if we can get them all to wave this time. Come on, can we get a wave out of everybody this time? You're all smiling and enjoying yourself. There we go. That's better. That's better footage.
It wasn't mega money, it was like
There we go. So guys, as you can see, we've got the fire pits out. We're just all having a... Scott, you got my back, yeah? Because obviously I've got the light on my face, can't you saying? Got me, yeah?
Got a nice poker.
Yep. Oh yeah. That'll get me back over here. So, do you know what? This is our first night here, and we're just going to chill out and just have a really good night and just talk all things van life and life. So, Conrad, it's recording. If you think it's easy, go for it. Speak.
I don't think it's easy, but
What's not easy?
I try to do my best.
Right, we've already got the camera angle wrong. We're filming half of you and half of Jim there.
Ah, there we go. So this is the right way around. Oh, I can see that. Right, so this is everyone sitting by the fire. Oh, they're enjoying it.
Conrad, I'll give you a quick tip. It's absolute. That's a little bit close. It's absolutely imperative. If you're a YouTuber, you have to turn around when you introduce yourself and say, "Hi guys." Try it.
Hello, P-Dubbers and others. It's me, Conrad.
Go on,
You didn't know before. I'm trying to record something today, but don't blame me for it.
It's amazing.
All right, let's go. So,
God, you've been watching too many YouTube videos.
no, I have not. Just adventures.
What a guy! What a guy! I enjoy this. We're gonna play. We'll call this YouTube Roulette. YouTube Roulette.
I'll tell you what, this is amazing.
Try that again. Right, let's try this again. That says it all. That says it all. Right, one more go. One more go.
Yeah, that's the best thing. I don't.
No way.
That says it all.
Give it to Scott, he's always got
I know, but yeah.
Lucy would be good
We'll
at
have to beat that. We set our language out there. Disgusting. We don't speak like that. Anyway, right. One more.
Hello, lovelies. It's a wonderful world.
He just took the
We've come
camera
out here off with,
grabbed it off.
and here we are today with a fantastic van life, dub meet, dub ventures, dub extreme. Sorry. Anyway, here we go. Grifting off for someone else, but that's life. Peace seeing you.
Just for the record, I had to cut a lot of that out. So, right, that's the end of that game.
And that's how it's done.
Every touch feels like a body rush. Every breath feels like falling in love.
Someone has actually come and parked the car on our pitch. Scott, Simon, someone has actually come and parked the car on our pitch. We've got an intruder. Do you know like anybody like why there might be an intruder on our pitch or something?
It's definitely not me.
It's definitely not me.
Twinny number one, twinny number two. It's a clean.
We have just had this conversation, right?
We even planned
And
it.
do you know what? Let me tell you how the
Dink and
conversation went. This is Anna, everyone, and this is who is staying with us for the night.
Oh, Honda.
So, Brooke turned round and said, "Oh, we're matching." What does Anna turn round and say? "What colour knickers have you got on? What colour knickers have you got on?"
And are
They
you
was
flossing?
they were comparing.
Knickknacks.
Yes, I mean, I'm a guy in the campervan with two girls, and they're speaking about underwear.
But it was
Can you
yours they
imagine?
were talking about.
Do you know what I mean? Disgusting.
I've been told now that I have to make breakfast for everyone, so but there we go, that's what we do when we go camping with friends. So
Right, we're going for a walk, and hopefully it's not going to rain.
Attention, this my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on the flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt, this world is mine.
there's a queue here now to get through the gate. Not been this way before to get to Castleton. It's like a single track road. Anybody know what this is called? Dave, we're looking at you. What's this called, this path? A track to Castleton. Thank you for your informative information, and Dave, we really appreciate it. Now I did offer, Anna's my witness, everyone's my witness, I did offer to give her a hand and she said no, I'm fine, so...
Because he leaves Thor attached to my arm, then puts him down, and Thor runs off as I'm going down.
Like I said, I did offer a hand and you know, then she's still having a go at me.
There will be one condition: if you bring it down, she'll need a cuddle with it. Yeah, so now I'll have to know. It's cute.
Somebody rang up the shop the other day.
Jim, you got anything to say about Conrad? The camera's not on.
Conrad, you don't have to talk.
So we've got Simon here, and you know what? He's really got something to say about someone that he's missing.
Elliot, I'm missing you, mate.
Didn't actually think he'd say that, sorry, but you know.
If they not warm anymore, and I'll stick them on for a minute. So.
Oh, here come the midnight hour. I've never known anything else but you. Oh, look how the stars align. It happened every time. Oh, here we go, you're a miracle. Oh, you should know that I see you.
Done it.
Let's go to place only we could go. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go.
So, what do you think of Conrad's Polish sausage?
Absolutely gorgeous.
Glad to hear that.
Worth the wait.
Put a tennis ball on top of it and just stick it here in the middle. Yeah, it gets rid of it all. Apparently.
This is what we do when it's absolutely chucking it down.
No, that was just a friend. That was, yeah, he was
There's not much now.
Oh, there we go. Simon's on it. He's in charge of getting all the water off the awning, but we're all under Conrad's awning. We've just had barbecue and food.
Yes.
And we're just all, it's up. But as you can see, the weather is, it ain't the best, so. But
Slightly damp.
slightly damp, as he just said, but we're just going to chill out for a bit and sort of like, oh, the sausages are still going.
Yes, they are indeed, yes.
Can you do that again?
How's he going? It's not manly, that.
Joe has just set the last sausage and it was Scots.
No, there's one left.
Oh, so just for the record, like we do have a sausage for Scott, but he's not here. We don't know where he is. I think he's gone shopping or something or whatever he's doing.
No idea.
We've saved him a sausage, but we are going to tell him that there isn't any left.
I mean, cooking top. Turn right.
Right, guys, it's Conrad again. What we're doing now is having a ride to the pub. Thankfully, Hannah's got a nice car,
We're just picking someone
so
up.
we're taking advantage of that, and we're driving there. As you can see, it's been chopping it down, and here comes the producer.
Get in.
Get in, producer, please, and then we make a move.
Yeah, you have to go back round, so I need to.
Oh, you need to get Thor's biscuits as well.
And then we're reversing now. As you can see, they've got the rear wiper going on. Just to be precise, so.
Conrad's filming.
Are you filming, Conrad?
I am filming, yeah. Hello there. Yes. No, we can exit through here. You cannot exit.
We need to go lock the van.
Lock the van door.
All right. Just for the records, we're going back to lock the van.
We've been to the
pub. Let's go to the pub. Let's go. Yeah, I need to lock the van. You know what I mean?
Right. So on that note, I'm going to end because it looks like the battery is getting flat. We've got only. Oh, I think it's gone already.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Morning everyone, it's early morning. Dodge's got the barbecue, but you must have used some gas this weekend. You've been cooking constantly.
All natural.
You know
That's
what I
it,
mean?
I've been bottling Scotty's gas.
Right, well, yeah, there we go.
Recycle.
Some say that he is known for this, so, but anyway, it's just started raining. It's been a bit of a rainy weekend, but still been a good weekend though. Been really good. And, you know, yeah. Oh, my voice is like that. Yeah. What's going on there? Right, anyway, just gonna get everything ready and on that note, so we're gonna get everything ready and then, you know what? I think that's gonna call it a weekend.
Keep on trucking.